Let's learn action verbs together. Bird flies. Bird flies. Cat jumps. Cat jumps. Kids play. Kids play. Dog barks. Dog barks. Baby crawls. Baby crawls. Plant grows. Plant grows. Fish swims. Fish swims. Car races. Car races. Bell rings. Bell rings. Tree sways. Tree sways. Student learns. Student learns. Chef cooks. Chef cooks. Bird chirps. Bird chirps. Clouds move. Clouds move. Bee buzzes. Bee buzzes. Horse runs. Horse runs. Soldiers march. Soldiers march. Writer thinks. Writer thinks. Painter draws. Painter draws. Builders work. Builders work. Farmers plow. Farmers plow. Waves crash. Waves crash. Fire burns. Fire burns. Rain falls. Rain falls. Ship sails. Ship sails. Person claps. Person claps. Child reads. Child reads. Stars shine. Stars shine. Teacher teaches. Teacher teaches. Flowers bloom. Flowers bloom. Boy runs. Boy runs. Girl dances. Girl dances. Man shouts. Man shouts. Woman sings. Woman sings. Baby laughs. Baby laughs. Birds nest. Birds nest. Dog sleeps. Dog sleeps. Cat purrs. Cat purrs. Fish jumps. Fish jumps. Tree grows. Tree grows. Sun shines. Sun shines. Moon glows. Moon glows. Wind blows. Wind blows. Wave rises. Wave rises. Lion roars. Lion roars. Children dream. Children dream. Farmer harvests. Farmer harvests. Teacher writes. Teacher writes. Doctor heals. Doctor heals. Driver parks. Driver parks. Runner sprints. Runner sprints. Painter colors. Painter colors. Singer hums. Singer hums. Cook stirs. Cook stirs. Student studies. Student studies. Editor edits. Editor edits. Builder hammers. Builder hammers.
Hello, and welcome to my channel. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more videos.